सुख करता दुख हरता मेरा गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
सुख करता दुख हरता मेरा गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
सुख करता दुख हरता मेरा गणपति बाबा मोरया।
सुख करता दुख हरता मेरा गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
आओ प्रभु मेरे आओ मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
आओ प्रभु मेरी आओ मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
गणपति बाबा मोरया गणपति बाबा मोरया।
गणपति बप्पा मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
जय जयकार हुई जग अंदर। घर घर में है तेरा मंदिर।
घर घर में है तेरा मंदिर।
प्रेम की ज्योति जलाने वाले मेरे मन की ज्योति जलाओ। प्रेम की ज्योति जलाने वाले मेरे मन की ज्योति जलाओ। आओ प्रभु मेरी आओ मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
आओ प्रभु मेरी आओ मंगल मूर्ति आओ।
गणपति बप्पा मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
गणपति बप्पा मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
मोरया 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 मोरया
गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
बोलिए गजानन स्वामी की जय. Namaskar everyone and welcome to our Sunday morning satsang, not at the Hindu Prachar Kendra but at the home of one of our members because our construction work is on. As always, we appreciate your presence and the valuable suggestions and comments that you share with us. As life is getting back to a different kind of normalcy, we hope you are all managing well with all the adjustments. So last week, we had a different type of satsang, and it was reassuring to receive your positive and encouraging comments as we focused on our Heritage Vacation course, which would have been going on all now for 6 weeks during these 2 months, July and August. So our satsang was all about our children, of course, about family, about all of us, about everything that we do, about the present and about the future. And it was a very lively, light-hearted session, which we will conclude this week. So maybe that's why we are all feeling very lively and light-hearted right now. But before we get into all of these interesting quips and innocent but profound utterances of our wonderful Heritage Vacation course and Baramdila children, we'll chant a couple simple, vibrant kirtans that we do with them from time to time. I actually hope a lot of our children are looking on, a lot of parents also. I hope you are there with your children. And I asked, well, which ones we should do. And it's interesting, the same ones we were thinking about, it's the same suggestions that came on the chat. So I know many of you adults will be able to follow along and enjoy this with us as well. So together, let us create very uplifting, positive vibrations as we praise Bhagwan together and get in a great mood for satsang and get our minds ready to receive and to learn. So we start with Hey Murali Madhava, a favorite of the children. It's actually almost like a little tongue twister. And there's a very special clap. Clap, clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. You'll pick it up in between. So do clap and sing along with us and enjoy this as we praise Bhagwan Krishna's many names, his features, his characteristics, and pray that he will bless and protect all of us, especially our wonderful children. And we welcome Shami back to our satsang this morning, of course, back to work. So between Shami ji and Yogesh ji, we'll be organizing Hey Murali Madhava, Radhe Krishna, Keshava. And don't forget, clap, clap, clap in between. Hey Murali Madhava, Radhe Krishna, Keshava.
Hey Murali Madhava, Radhe Krishna Keshava.
Hey Murali Madhava, Radhe Krishna, Keshava.
Hey Murali Madhava, Radhe Krishna Keshava.
Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Nanda Nandana Radhe Sham Indu Vadana Megha Sham.
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 Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Kaliya Nartana Radhe Sham Kamsani Shudana Megha Sham.
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 Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Panduranga Radhe Sham Pandarinath Radhe Sham.
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 Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Bhakta Vatsala Radhe Sham Bala Gopal Megha Sham.
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 Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Hey Murali Madhava, Radhe Krishna Keshava.
Hey Murali Madhava Radhe Krishna Keshava.
Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava, Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Keshava Madhava Yadava Nandan Radhe Krishna Jai Gopal.
Gopi Krishna Jai Gopal.
Gopi Krishna Jai Gopal.
Radha Krishna Jai Gopal.
Radha Krishna Jai Gopal.
Boliye Sri Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki Jai. And be sure to chant the Jaikar with all your love and energy. Always so invigorating and so enjoyable. And we move on to another favorite of the children, I think of all of us, everyone at the Kendra, in praise of Pavanaputra Hanuman Baba. And last week we shared lots of amusing thoughts and ideas on Hanumanji. So we are chanting Maruti Raya Balabhima. We praise that one who is the son of Anjani, the son of Pawan, all the wonderful qualities of Hanuman Baba. And we remind ourselves, Balabhim, that he is indeed very strong. So you can follow with us. You do have the copies. Those of you who have the Archana text, all of these chants are there. And remember, if you would like to get copies of these books that we sing often and we chant often from, all our special compositions, all the mantras, the geets and so on, you can just call the numbers on the screen. We have two text, Archana and the Satsangi's Companion. So this is page 70, and you do have the copies we sent. Marutiraya Balabhima. So when we are singing this, we have to have the energy also to join. Marutiraya Balabhima,
Marutiraya Balabhima,
Marutiraya Balabhima,
Marutiraya Balabhima,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Anjana putra Balabhima bo,
Anjana putra Balabhima,
Anjana putra Balabhima bo,
Anjana putra Balabhima,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Vayu Kumara Balabhima bo,
Vayu Kumara Balabhima,
Vayu Kumara Balabhima,
Vayu Kumara Balabhima,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Ramaduta Balabhima bo,
Ramaduta Balabhima,
Ramaduta Balabhima,
Ramaduta Balabhima,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Anjaneya Balabhima,
Anjaneya Balabhima,
Anjaneya Balabhima,
Anjaneya Balabhima,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Balabhim, Balabhim, Balabhima bo,
Balabhim, Balabhim, Balabhima,
Balabhim, Balabhim, Balabhima,
Balabhim, Balabhim, Balabhima,
Balabhim, Balabhim, Balabhima bo,
Balabhim, Balabhim, Balabhima,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema,
Bhajana lage de prema.
Bhajana lage de prema.
बोलिए पवन पुत्र हनुमान की जय. And I'm seeing our Bhagwan Sri Ram and our Hanumanji behind the cameras and all the audio equipment, that they really enjoyed that a lot. So just a quick recap. As we did our Heritage and Vacation course, focused on that last week, our flagship project. This would have been our 17th year. And some people did message to find out more about it, and we were happy for that. And as I said at the Kendra, we follow all the major traditional Hindu calendar events, but we are a very project-oriented institution, and HVC is just one of our many projects. It's a multidisciplined course that is focused on heritage and service learning and making our children, nurturing our children so that they are confident and capable in all spaces. We hope that we can raise those children who can truly become enlightened citizens of our nation, enlightened citizens of the entire world. So this is what we are working towards through this project, and of course by extension all the work of the Kendra. So before we get going into our interesting quips for this morning, we will celebrate the potential in our children. You know, when you look at your child, or when you look at any child, when you look at your grandchildren, your nieces, nephews, cousins, children who are around us, what do you see? When you look at a child, when you look at a baby. Someone asked us to chant this morning, and I asked Sirumani Ji to lead us with it this morning. It's the Chand that celebrates the birth of Bhagwan Sri Rama. We'll find it just there in that Ram Janma Katha. It celebrates the divine, delightful, noble child who is capable of destroying all that is terrible. So again, you can follow your copies as we chant this beautiful chanda, Bhaye Pragata Kripala, celebrating Bhagwan Sri Ram, celebrating that potential in all our children. Jai Shri Ram!
Jai Shri Ram! Bhai Pragata Kripala, Deen Dayala, Kaushalya Hitakari, Harshit Mahatari, Muni Manahari, Adbhut Rupa Vichari, Lochana Bhirama, Tanu Ghanshama, Nijayudha Bhujachari, Bhushan Banamala, Nayan Vishala, Shobha Sindhu Karari. Kaha dui kar jori, astuti tori, kehi vidhi karao ananta, maya gun jnana, tita mana, ved puran bhananta, karuna sukh sagar, sab gun agar, jehi gawahi shruti santa, so mam hit lagi, jan anuragi, bhayu pragat shri kanta. Brahmand nikaya, nirmit maya, rom rom pratibhed kahe, mama ur sobhasi, yah upahasi, sonat dhiramati tir nar hai, उपजा जब ज्ञाना, प्रभु मुस्काना, चरित बहुत विधि कीन चाहे, कही कथा सुहाई, मातु बुझाई, जेहि प्रकार सुति प्रेम लहै। माता पुनि बोली, सोमति डोली, तजहु तात यह रूपा, की जय शिशु लीला, अति प्रिय शीला, यह सुख परमानुपा, सुनी वचन सुजाना, रोदन थाना, होई बालक सुर भूपा, यह चरित जिगावहि, हरि पद पावहि, तेन परहि भवकूपा।
बोलिए सियापति रामचंद्र की जय. So beautiful. It's like a lori, like a lullaby almost. You can see yourself putting a beautiful child to sleep. So we have done this on request, 2 requests actually. So may Bhagwan Sri Rama bless all of us, bless all parents especially, to nurture that Rama potential in all children. So last week we looked at these wonderful utterances, very profound. We saw mostly from our 8 and under children. And the reason why I have this actually, Professor Narayan Singh was saying, Geeta ji, it's a good thing that you take notes because even I would not remember all of this. So very quickly we saw, we shared 3 of their wonderful sayings, 3 stories associated with them. One was about saving for the future, about that child who withheld a little dakshina so that he can have a saving for later on. And we stress the importance of investing our time and our resources very wisely, and we need to be conscious about what we hold back and what we shortchange. Then we also saw a favorite, the six-pack, Balawan, Hanuman, and we looked at Hanumanji's strengths also, but through all his accomplishments, so absolutely humble. And one child who said Hanumanji is always sitting and kneeling, Shami, and quiet, right? And I was going to share this line, I actually forgot. Kneeling Hanuman is feeling Hanuman. Kneeling Hanuman is a feeling Hanuman. What is the feeling? That feeling of readiness, that feeling of devotion, that feeling to serve, that feeling of humility. So we were reminded of all of this. And then the last one we shared, the trickster, about dishonesty, and we saw Marich being identified, and one child so intelligently said, but Geeta ji, he was smart, right, Shantaji, but he just behaved stupid. How are we different? And what they said also, that happened because he followed Ravan. That's why he was foolish. So what is wrong if we follow Ravan? According to that child, you will end up dead. You know, or what does it mean? That it will lead us to destruction. So this morning, the first one I'm sharing, it's actually, it's a bit long, but I know we'll get through it, and maybe one other. It's actually one that is often shared for Guru Purnima, coincidentally, which we had a couple weeks ago. And it's about a Maharashtran sant poet named Namdev. So if you've never heard of Namdev, I encourage you to always, you know, you can research their books. People go on Google a lot to learn. So you can Google the sant poet from Maharashtra, Namdev, from the 13th century. And he is very famous, but let's hear his story. And at the Heritage Vacation course, we always try to teach the children about our rishis, our gurus, about heroes. It's not only about Ramcharitmanas. Remember, many disciplines are there. So as much as we can share and teach them about heroes, especially heroes who are children, that's the Upanishadic heroes, we teach them as much as we can. So this was one where they were learning about Namdev. And he was very arrogant about his knowledge, about all the things that he knew. And you know, one of our Acharyajis at the ashram used to always say, the more we know is the more we should realize how much we don't know. And the more we learn is the more we should realize how much we still have to learn. So Namdev, he would be there with all the others, and he was really quite learned. So they decided that the sant poets and there in that community to teach him a little lesson. So they were all gathered, and there was one female actually who was foremost amongst those sons, Muktabai. Her name was Muktabai, and they had all planned this. So Gora Kumhar is a potter. Okay, the potter, you know the bhajan, Mati kahe, Kumhar se, so Kumhar is the potter. So she instructed Goda Kumhar to go around and test the knowledge of the sant, the abilities and so on. So a potter, how will a potter test something? We'll pick up a clay pot and do what? Knock it, right? So he decided to do this. So like me now, when I have a zabuka, this zabuka season, what? We will take the zabuka. If it's up to me, I'll always eat it before it's perfect and ripe. So I'll tell Krishnaji, is this ready? So I run out of patience as zabuka is concerned. Everyone knows this. So he went to, Gora Kumhar now is going around because this is natural to the potter. Knocking the head of each one, a gentle knock, each sant. Acha, acha, acha. Reach by Namdev, kacha. Right? We were talking about this in the car. I was actually asking them if they know what kasa means, right? Because somebody eats something, oh, it's so kasa. From kacha. Kacha means what? Not perfectly ripened. It's still a little sour and bitter. So Namdev got like angry, but of course he has to contain himself because everybody is acha, acha, acha. But then when by Namdev, kacha. Not quite there, not perfect. So when the Kumhar went to Muktabai said, well, what is the situation? What is the assessment? So Gora Kumhar said to Muktabai, except all other earthen pots that are well baked, Namdev is not ready. Okay? So he felt embarrassed. So he decided to go to a mandir, and you can also read about this Vitthal Mandir in Maharashtra, very famous. If you had Panduranga Vithala, there's also a katha associated with Vitthal Mandir, so a form of Bhagwan Krishna. So he went there to complain, to talk to Bhagwan about what was happening and so on. And it is said, this was revealed to Namdev, that you have not taken the shelter of a guru, of someone who is learned. So your ego is overpowering you. And he was instructed to approach a learned Shrotriya Brahmanishtam, the one who is well qualified to teach and guide, to go and surrender to the feet of that person. So he went to a great devotee of Bhagwan Krishna, of Vithala. Vishobha Kechar was his name, Kechar. And he surrendered to him, and of course he accepted Namdev and taught him and guided him. So this is the story of Namdev. So what I started doing to make things interesting, I said, okay, I told them, let's go around and let me see who are the well-baked pots and who is ready and who is not ready. So I was going around, okay? So this is where the fun is. So I went around and knock. I said, you know, in all of us, just like with Namdev, sometimes there may be things that we need to change because you don't say bad. You don't say that you are bad. There's something maybe that we need to change, and there are also very nice things about ourselves. So let's see, for each one, when I come by you, I want you to tell me something that's really nice and something you think you can change about yourself. I think you all were too big for this, because this is just about 2-3 years ago. So I started knocking. It was going well after 1, 2, 3 children or so. So I knocked, knock, a little gentle knock on the head. What nice do you have inside your head? My brain. Yes, I said yes. So we talked a little bit about, yes, we must use our brain. So we had a little talk about it. So I'm going around again. Knock, a little knock. What is there that you can change? Nothing. Everything nice in my head. So nice and so sweet and innocent. So then this boy just burst up. Gitaji. So I said, what? You're supposed to wait your turn? Okay, what do you want to say? If we knock Ravan's 10 heads, right? If we knock Ravan's 10 heads, and all will be empty. So I said, well, yes. So I said, okay, we'll talk about all this. And then another child, a young girl, and these are all the 8 and under, right? No. Ravan had not empty. Gitaji, and his 10 head full of wicked things. So they all have their version. So we stopped there actually. So I didn't get to go around. So I said, okay, so let's talk about this. What do you mean when you say Ravan's head has wicked things? Explain to me, what do you mean when you say someone is wicked or someone is bad? So children are describing, well, Ravan was mean. Simple words, mean. He was, I have the list, he was unkind. He liked to show off. He was a thief. He was jealous. He was greedy. So who are they describing? Are they describing Ravan only? Where is Ravan? Who is Ravan? Ravan is an idea, an attitude. So when we are doing even doing Katha, it's not something that's separate and different from who we are. When are we always kind? Are we always loving? We try, yes, and that's great. We try hard. So it's really asking us to check on ourselves. So where is Ravan? So here is something really interesting, beautiful, and wonderful that happened with a grandparent, a Nani. And I was so amused when she shared this story with me because she was babysitting, and this is her 3-year-old granddaughter who had come to Holika Dahan, right? And she loved to see, and Anushka Angad was doing Narayan, Narayan. She was playing the role of Narad Muni. So this child who will be brought and come with the Nani and Nana to the Kendra for Satsang and around in this space, this is how they are learning, they absorb from the environment. So after that Holika Dahan, for that whole week, this child is just going, Narayan, Narayan, and doing the motion and wants to get the Iktara and everything, right? So Nani said she was going to put the child to sleep in the afternoon, so bathe her and everything, and sat in the hammock with her, and the child is sitting facing forward. So they are both facing forward. And she, as she would usually do, talk, sing bhajan and so on, and talk to the child, baby, you must be a good baby. Inside all of us, we have our heart, we have our mind, and talking like you would talk to a little child, right, Shami? So, Sri Ram is in our heart, and she was learning now about Devi. Mother Lakshmi is in our heart, and Durga Ji's, and calling all these Devis and Devatas. So, baby getting a little falling asleep. So, she turned the baby around. So, now the baby, the 3-year-old, is now right there on the Nani's chest, and says, baby, Popo, you hearing my heart? Who you hearing? Ravan. It was so funny. So she said, but we didn't talk anything about Ravan. And the child was probably just being cute and funny. But yes, there is that potential. This is just something that happened, but it's very instructive that inside each one of us, there's a potential Ravan. There's also a potential Rama, and we have to decide which and what we are going to allow to be manifest and expressed in our lives. So here is how it went again, the same one. This is why I said it's long. When I started reading it, I even forgot about it. So they were talking about this 10-head, one saying it will be empty because they will have nothing. The next little one saying, well, it is full of wicked things. And then comes one child, and even if we take a pump to pump out the wickedness from Ravan, it still won't come out, right? This is how it's going. So I said, how then do we take out wicked things? Simple questions we are asking. Isn't it easy to take out? No, it is stick up like glue. And then one little one says, like crazy glue. I am just so amused, and you learn so much from these children. So I said, okay, fine, this is wonderful. Of course, I asked them how they know about crazy glue and where they heard about it and all of that. So something very profound was said. How do we get rid of the wicked things? Tell me, explain it to me. And here is what a child said. A 6-year-old. Just do good things so it wouldn't have any more bad things. That's all. This is all of life. Everything that every satsang or shastra is trying to teach us, it's about this. Just do good things so it will have no more bad things. We take this from this child this morning. I think we'll use this line like a mantra. In one of they have the pratana that we do every morning. prayer in the morning, for the assembly in the evening, and so on. And this beautiful one, it's one of the mantras. Ayam nija paroveti ganana laghuchetasam udara charitanam tu vasudhaiva kutumbakam. We know the last part of this mantra, very popular. Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. The whole world is a family. It takes a kind of attitude to see this and to appreciate this. But what is said before is very instructive. Ayam nija paroveti ganana laghu chetasam. Laghu chetas means the one who is small-minded. Small-minded. Cannot be open-minded. Cannot be selfless. The word we can use, we can say, as we're looking at the good and the bad, the durjan and the sajjan, as we have seen before. And then the next one, udar charitanam, the one who is noble-minded, who sees everyone as world family, who is loving, who is kind, who does not nurture all these destructive tendencies that the children talked about and listed. So as we reflect on this one, on Namdev, on what we have inside of our little heads and hearts, these children have just taken it apart so beautifully for us. We are going to join in this Geet, again requested. We sang it last week, Jo Anand Sindhu Sukharasi. This was actually written about 30 years ago by Raviji and well loved by all of us and all the children especially. It is the Chaupai from the Namkaran, where Sri Rama was being given his name. All the brothers, that sacred traditional ceremony was taking place, and the name of Ram is being given. So the Chaupai is there, as well as the English translation. And you can all join in. Call him Ram. If you can't follow anything else, just chant Call him Ram, as we celebrate the Sri Rama potential in all our children. Sri Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. We start.
Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram. Jo Anand Sindhu Sukharasi, Si Karte Trailok Supasi, So Sukh Dham Ram Asna, So Sukh Dham Ram Asna, Akhil Lok Dayak Vishram, Akhil Lok Dayak Vishram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram.
He who is bliss,
Call him Ram,
he who is all this,
call him Ram,
he the Brahman,
call him Ram,
he the champion,
call him Ram, call him Ram. Chant his name, Raghukul Ram, Ayodhyapati Ram. Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram, Shri Ram, Jai Ram.
the whole wide world,
Call him Ram,
said the Guru bold,
call him Ram,
all in Ayodhya,
call him Ram,
all for Dharma, Jai Siyapati Ramachandra ki Jai. Jai Shri Ram. So that first one that we just shared, we could call that the empty head. Maybe that's a way that will help us to remember. So this one, I'll call this one fire. Fire, fire. Let's say fire, fire. Right? Fire, fire. So every year we have, for the last few years, we have been having the fire service come to teach the children about safety in their home, to do the fire drills with them and so on. It's always very exciting, and the children are always so enthused. So we always put the smaller ones when we put them to sit according to their height and age and classes. And so the safety drill is going on. And talking about out in the fires, and they bring the extinguishers and everything. So it's really very wonderful. So this boy who had rehearsed the day before and one time the week before as the role of Hanuman, right? Because they all they play different roles. Role play is very important. When the fireman was talking about how to out the fire and all of that, so this is what he says to the fireman. You all can guess it. I am Hanuman, and when I burn in Lanka with my tail, the fire so powerful, no fireman could out it. So innocent, so sweet, right? So I am Hanuman, and when I burn in Lanka in Ram Leela with my tail, the fire so powerful, no fireman could out it. Rawa, nobody could out it. So the fireman, of course, he was taken aback, and so I had to say, okay, well, explain to him, and I think Isha's daddy Randy was there too, and talking about what we did. So then the fireman said, so why do you all burn down that place? Why are you in this role burning down that place? So this is the child. It gives the name of the place. The name of the place is Lanka, and it's a palace. Well, it says it's a palace, it's a kingdom, right? It is ruled by a bad king, and we're supposed to destroy what is bad. So we burn it down, and then when we play in Ram Leela, we burn the king, Ravan, too. So this is how it went, right? So then the fireman says, but how are you, just making conversation with the child and whatnot, but how are you doing that with the tail, right? With the tail, the monkey's tail, and you are not getting burnt? This is a natural question. So this is the child's response. Because God protected me. Simple. Because God protected me. Right? So Raman said, God protecting you? He said, yes. When you behave good, God does save you. Children are talking. Okay? I am not being affected. Nothing is happening to me. One is I'm trying to do something good to protect and to save. So nothing is happening to me because God is watching me. God is protecting me. And why is God doing that? Because when you behave good, God does save you. What's the lesson? All you behave all yourself. Simple, simple. That's just it. Just behave yourself. Okay? So let our children know and grow in goodness. Very beautiful. Let our children know and grow in goodness. Let them know that they are indeed Sita and Rama and Hanuman, divine, good, noble, beautiful in every way, and nurture this in them so that they could burn down all terrible things. And that doesn't mean burning with a fire like this. It's a metaphor, or tradition always teaches us through imagery and metaphor. As we think about this, we'll share this last Geet with you that talks about this very thing. Chandan hai is desh ki mati, tapobhumi har gram hai. Har bala devi ki pratima, bacha, bacha, Ram hai. Let us understand our home. We talked about this is the mandir. This is our first mandir, life and body itself. The home is the mandir. It's tapobhumi. Everywhere we go, it's our place of worship and of doing tapas. And we must see Harbala Devi ki pratima. Every girl as a Devi, as divinity, and bacha bacha Rama hai. Every little boy as a Bhagwan Sri Rama. So there's also an English verse we chant together. Chandan hai is desh ki mati, tapo bhumi har gram hai. Har bala devi ki pratima, bacha bacha Ram hai. Together. Chandan hai is desh ki mati, tapo bhumi har gram hai. Har bala devi ki pratima, bacha bacha Ram. Again. Chandan hai is desh ki mati, tapo bhumi har gram hai. Har bala devi ki pratima, bacha bacha Ram hai. The dust of this land is my Chandan. We must become the best children. Every beti must be like Sita. Every beta must be like Rama. The dust of this land is my Chandan. We must become the best children. Every beti must be like Sita. Every beta must be like Rama. I want to become just like Sita. I want to become just like Rama. Harbala Devi ki pratima, bacha bacha Ram hai. Chandan hai is desh ki mati, tapo bhumi har gram hai. Harbala Devi ki pratima, bacha bacha Ram hai. Bacha bacha Ram hai. Bacha bacha Ram hai. बोलिए सियापति रामचंद्र की, जगदम्बे माता की जय. So a few minutes for the last one that we are sharing. This one we'll call Dasit. Okay, Dasit. All right, Dasit. So when we say Das means what? 10, right? In the class we're talking. So we had done Dasarath, the father of Bhagwan Sri Rama, the king of Ayodhya, Raja Dasarath. And we had also done Ravan, the king of Lanka. And I had told them the other two names for Ravan. We had done it sometime before. Dasanan, 10-faced, or Dasamukha, the 10-faced, 10-headed. Okay? So we were having this class, making up a little time. And I said, okay, let's talk about Ravan. Let's see all the things we know about Ravan. So, of course, everyone knows the name Ravan. They started to talk about Ravan is strong. Ravan is the king of Lanka. Ravan has 10 heads. So I said, okay, good. So do you all know, I didn't tell them anything about, do you all know what is the name for 10 heads or anything? I said, okay, very good. I said, let's see who can remember a word that starts with Das. Okay? Tell me from the Ramcharitmanas, from our text, from all the classes we have done, from Ramdila, anything that you have heard that we have been teaching, a word that starts with Das. Of course, everyone says what? Dasarath, because they all know Dasarath. They couldn't remember Dasanan and Dasamukh. But two children did tell me this. Geeta ji, Dasit. Right? Dasit. And we do say that because we tell them, okay, you dust here and you clean here, because that also is part of their training, that they care for their spaces and they clean up and look after the space. So here's the other one. So I said, okay, what do you know that starts with das? Dasani, the water that we drink. Okay, so it's so funny. So then we started to talk, of course, about dasanan. Okay, so this is the line that they made up after doing this. We talked about dasanan, just like that child was sharing just now about Ravan, the 10 heads, what it represents, all these terrible things and so on. So here is how it went. Dasanan had to dust it, right? This is what they made up, just like how that Dasanan had to dust it. So we started saying that, and it became almost like a little slogan. So I said, so how do we do that? How do we make Dasanan, Ravan, dust it? Gitaji, we have to clean him out, right? So how will we clean him out, right, Shami? Because you're talking, it's a class, you're trying to make it interesting. How do we clean him out? Like, we have to sweep him away, right? Because they are thinking what? When you say clean, they start thinking, like we have to sweep him away. Like when the ground have dust, and you have to clean it, you have to move it away. Then comes one little girl. Yes, but sometimes dust does remain. Listen to this. What they're saying, how do we do it? We have to sweep it, right, Shami? Sweep it, clean it away, right? Then one girl says, yes, but sometimes dust does remain. And my mommy does take the mop to mop out the dust, right? So what is she trying to say? What is it? The simple thing. Not a speck of dust must remain. You have to make sure it is well cleaned. So yes, we have to sweep away Ravan. We have to what? Mop. What is it saying? We have to cleanse. We have to cleanse ourselves. And you know, Gangadhara, we weren't able to go, it just would have been last month. We go to the river, we take the ritual, the symbolic purificatory bath and all of that. For what? There's this physical cleansing, but that cleansing of the mind, cleansing and adjustment of attitude. This is what it is about in our pujas. When we come and the pandit or pandita does, Om Apavitra does what? Purification. It's about what? A condition of the mind. What did we see with kneeling Hanuman is feeling Hanuman, getting yourself, feeling readiness, feeling that you are capable, you are competent, feeling devoted. All of this is there. You know, there's a word in the modern world right now, detox. This is what it is. Detox your mind. Hey, sadhu, sadhu, we say when I said detox. This is what? Simple. Detox your mind. So from our children this morning, what have we learned? This last one. Detox your mind. What does it say? Dasanan Ravan had to dust it, sweep it, clean it, mop it, manje it, manje my thali, make it so shiny. All of these are, when you are cleaning the lota and thari are what? Shining and clean. We have a couple ladies in the Kendra, when they shine it and they clean it, so beautiful. But if the heart and the mind isn't shiny and cleansed, what then? What are we doing? So detox the mind, cleanse, purify, behave yourself. Naja said, behave yourself, and what? Make sure, knock knock. If I come knocking, what? Inside there is only beauty. This is the challenge of everyday living, you know, the challenge to do that which is right, not just for our own selves, look after ourselves, but also remember to be kind, that we are part of this whole cosmos and we are all interconnected. So this is our sharing this morning. We join in to do the kirtan, Jai Siya Ram, Jai Jai Siya Ram, which the children know so well, and then we will close with our mantras. जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम, बोलो
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
राम राम राम, जय जय राम, बोलो
राम राम राम, जय जय राम,
राम राम राम, जय जय राम, बोलो
राम राम राम, जय जय राम,
राम राम राम, जय जय राम, बोलो
राम राम राम, जय जय राम,
बोलो जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
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 रघुपति राघव राजा रामा,
रघुपति राघव राजा रामा,
पतित पावन सीता रामा,
पतित पावन सीता रामा,
रघुपति राघव राजा रामा,
रघुपति राघव राजा रामा,
पतित पावन सीता रामा,
पतित पावन सीता रामा,
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
मंगल भवन मंगलहारी,
मंगल भवन
प्रभु
मंगलहारी,
सुदशरथ चिर बिहारी,
प्रभु सुदशरथ चिर बिहारी,
जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम,
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 जय सिया राम, जय जय सिया राम. We join in closing mantras. In our mantras, we pray for not just our own selves, we pray for everyone and everything. May everyone be blessed. May auspiciousness exist everywhere. May we be the creators and the protectors of peace. May there be peace everywhere. We surrender, asking this blessing. We ask to be guided on this path where we look after the welfare of our own selves and the welfare of all. Om Durjano Sajjano Bhuyat Sajjana Shantimapnuyat Shanto Mukshyeta Bandhebhyo Muktaschanyan Vimochayet Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantam Nyayena Margena Mahi Mahisha Gobrahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Tvameva Mata Chapita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu Chasakha Tvameva Tvameva Virya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Om Dhyau Shantir Antarikshagum Shanti Prithvi Shantir Apa Shantir Aushadhaya Shantir Vanaspataya Shantir Vishve Deva Shantir Brahma Shanti Sarvagum Shanti Shantireva Shanti Sama Shantiredhi Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. प्रेम से और जोर से we chant the Jaikar. Children who are here with us in satsang, listening, viewing, chant with all your love, all your energies, all your devotion. Fill your homes with powerful vibrations. Together, Boliye Gajanan Swami ki Jai, Sri Krishna Chandra Bhagwan ki, Umapati Mahadev ki, Jagarambe Mata ki, Pavanasuta Hanuman ki, Siyapati Ramachandra ki, Goswami Tulsidas ki, Trinidad और Tobago देश की, बोलिए श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय 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 सीताराम. So thank you everyone for viewing. We had 2 sessions like this. Next weekend our focus will be on Tulsidas Baba. It will be Tulsidas Jayanti at the end of the month, and next month I was telling some of our big seniors, well now they are adults, we can't say children, well children still in our eyes, but they also have been part of our Bal Yagya and all of that, so they will also be sharing messages with us for the month of August. So I will work out the schedule, so be viewing to support them. We will all, as the adults and the seniors, be here with them as well. So thank you for viewing. Remember to subscribe to our pages, tell others about our satsang. We are going to attempt to start going live very soon, because we are of course doing pre-recorded satsangs right now for sharing on Sunday mornings to premiere. So our live stream will be starting maybe in a week or 2. We'll certainly keep you informed. Continue to stay safe and do what is required to look after the welfare of all. Have a blessed day and a blessed week, and we'll see you all for satsang again next week, Sunday, same time, 9 a.m. Namaskar.
Namaskar.